Hi everyone, welcome to 10 on the 10th. This is a collaboration hosted by Metal Scrappin' Chick, who is Kim. Hi Kim. There are a number of us in this collaboration, so please be sure to check out the description box below after you watch my video, please. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs ups are really welcome because it helps my channel grow, which I'm really trying to do right now, so I'd appreciate that if you could. Alright, so this is to make Christmas cards every month on the 10th, and as I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the USA, I did use Stampin' Up! Products. So, the Toile Tidings Designer Series paper that was in the 2019 holiday catalog will be available again starting August 4th in the new August to December mini, and these are just two of the patterns from it. Let me move this out of the way. And so I used this one, and I used this one, and I also used the back of that, which is the green plaid. I did not use the back of this one, which is like a red leafy. I just wasn't feeling red leaves today. So anyway, those are the two sheets I used. I had scraps, and so I made these cards from scrap papers from the other. These are the, like, you get two of each sheet, and then I used up the two bits, the bits that I had left from these two sheets. That's what I did. I used Very Vanilla thick card base and Very Vanilla regular for the inside, as well as Garden Green cardstock and Real Red cardstock, and Whisper White to stamp some things on, and regular Very Vanilla to stamp some things on. So let me show you. I went the first, let's see, 8 cards. Yeah, 8 cards. I also used the Toile Christmas. Now this is in the current annual catalog. It carried over to the annual from the 2019 holiday. So if you missed out, I don't believe it's a bundle anymore, but you can still get the cling stamp set for the Toile Christmas, which has the cardinal, which I love, and the Christmas cardinal dies, which cut the greetings, this branch, this cardinal out, and a couple other branches which I did use, and also the swirls, the big and little swirls, or maybe these are different ones. I didn't use the swirls. I haven't quite figured out what to do with those. So here are the first 4 cards. They all just say, "May your days be merry and bright," stamped in Real Red on Very Vanilla. I colored the cardinal in with dark mango, light and dark mango melody, light and dark Real Red, and that's about it. And then these leaves, there's 4 of them, 2 of the larger branches and 2 smaller ones cut out in Garden Green. And this is the Very Vanilla, it's called Metallic Edge Ribbon. It's the one in Very Vanilla with the gold trim. And this of course is Garden Green background. So that's what I did there. And then all of them, the ones that have green on the outside have green on the inside and stamped in Real Red. They all say, "May this season be filled with beautiful moments and happy memories for you and those you hold most dear." So I made 4 cardinal cards. Now these 2 I had fuller sheets, and these 2 I had smaller pieces left, so I used what I had and used up the paper before I cut into more. So those are my first 4. The second 4, I went with the red buffalo check, I guess it's called, and I also went with this branch turned upside down, and also the Christmas wishes stamped in Garden Green. And so again, I had 2 of them, 3 of them full size, and then this is one I had a smaller bit of paper left. So everything, I colored these in dark Real Red, light and dark just Jade, actually, because we don't have Garden Green, I don't think, Stampin' Blends, and dark Real Red, I think I said that, and dark Crumb Cake, actually, and I stamped them in soft suede. Yes, soft suede. I stamped the image in soft suede and then used dark Crumb Cake to color it. These are stamped in Garden Green, And this ribbon is actually the brand new available August 4th braided linen trim in real red. And I think I'm going to really like that because it makes nice small bows, which are put on with a glue dot. So, and these then have the red on the background stamped in green, but it's the same sentiment on all the cards. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then the last two I got away from Toile Christmas. I used my layering ovals. I used this one here. I think it's the second largest one of the plain layering ovals. And I did not use Toile Christmas. I used Winter Woods. I used this tree here and the coordinating die right here. And these are all in the annual catalog. And I had these thinner bits of the opposite side of this paper left. And so I put them on, I backed them on garden green, but instead of taking it all the way out to the edge, I just made it thinner. So I think this is 3, and then this is 3.5 wide by 5 1/4 long. And then the oval I cut out in real red. I should have stamped the tree on Very Vanilla, but I stamped it on Whisper White. Oh well. Stamped these in real red. This one I had stamped at the same time I did these, so I had one left over. And I actually had stamped another one of these in garden green, but I didn't like it, so I saved it and stamped it again in real red. So I had 5 of each sentiment on the front. And then the bling is not going to be available till August 4th. I'm loving it. I'm going to have to get more. It is the, hang on, Wonderful Gems it's called. It's got gold glitter in the red and the clear. So I used one of the clear ones on the tip of the tree and then on the real red. And then I used 5 of the real red for little Christmas balls on the tree. And those are the littler size, and then I used 2 of the larger size at the top on each card. And then again they have the garden green with the real red sentiment. So those are my cards. I really enjoyed making them. I watched a little bit of Kim's video. I had to finish watching it this morning earlier, and she made a comment that she really had trouble getting started with this. So did I. I had been thinking about using this stamp set and Sweet, the Cardinals, the whole time, and I just could not get myself motivated to do it, and the Toile Tidings paper. So I finally, I did some of it last night and finished it this morning, so I apologize for being a little behind, but I got it done on the right day. So, and I don't think we have a set time for this one. So please be sure to go check everyone else out. I am going to put these on my blog. I'm not sure when, probably by Monday, knowing how I am. And I will try to put the links to the item codes down below this video, below the list of participants, in case you're interested in buying anything. The paper you can't get until August 4th, nor these little pretty gems, but this stamp set and dies, this stamp set and dies, and the ovals, and of course the cardstocks and things, and Stampin' Blends are all available now if you'd like them and you missed out last year. Love the Cardinal set, and now I think of my mom and my dad whenever I see a cardinal. So alrighty, I'll let you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please have a great day. It's Friday. I'll be back at 4 p.m. for a live, which will also be new Stampin' Up! Products, holiday products. And because this is July and everyone seems to be doing Christmas in July, I'm going to be featuring some of the new products available August 4th for Christmas in July every Friday at 4 p.m. So come back and see what I have in store for you. It won't be the same sets. Okay, bye. Have a great day.